how to add avatar stickers to gallery as GIFs, as videos, as still image on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, click on Galaxy Avatar and click on water stickers. If you want to add water sticker to gallery as GIF, video and still image, and click on this three dot icon and click on edit. Select GIF and click on add to gallery. You will see GIF, video and still images here. So if you want to add image, still image, so click on still image. If you want to add video, so click on video. If you want to add GIF, so click on GIF. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add avatar sticker to gallery as GIF, as video, as still image on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.